Step 1. Check if the shower threshold is level using a spirit level or straight edge. If necessary, adjust the threshold until it is perfectly level. Step 2. Use the positioning tool to mark the drilling points. Step 3. Drill a hole with a 6mm drill bit. Insert the wall anchor and secure the aluminum profile with a round head screw. Step 4. Engage the glass door with installed pivot bases onto the wall-mounted aluminum profile. Ensure the glass door is vertical to the floor and horizontal to the walls. Step 5. Once firmware location is identified, drill a 6mm hole, insert the wall anchor, secure the aluminum profile with a round head screw, then tighten the locator's set screw with an angle wrench. Step 6. Apply glass sealant to the wall side and the bottom of the glass door. Allow 24 hours for it to fully cure before using the shower.